Okay. Summer held its last breath, scared me half to death. You were still beside the birthday cake, I just couldn't help but shake. And the colors in your hair do no match for your eyes of blue. I was tipping back beside you, looking for a joke to make you move. Hello, Caroline, how low must I decline? Hello, Caroline, how high must I climb? And all the creatures from all around just landed back in town with a thought of gulp and great big hugs, but all you did was shrug. Like, come on, good woman, take the finger out, kick up a fuss, give out a shout. I'll sing this one last time for you, then I'm giving up through and through. Hello, Caroline, how low must I decline? Hello, Caroline, how high must I climb? Wherever we go, there we are. Wherever you go tonight, I won't be far, no. I always thought I was a real badass, and I still do, don't get me wrong, but it was kind of confirmed last year. We put this song out as a single, and there's a religious radio station, great radio station, I don't mean to knock it around like that, but they playlisted, and I was delighted. I heard it, first people that playlisted, and I was like, deadly, this is good news. And I heard it, came on the radio, I was in the car, and they had bleeped out the next line. And I thought, yes. We've made it, man, we've made it. So my point being, avert your ears if you're easily offended. The summer held its last breath, and with it blew off your dress. Sinead. And with it blew over your summer held its last breath, and with it blew off your dress. To and fro you move real slow, back and forth in the winter's court. This road doesn't have to stop. If we run now, we won't be caught. We'll go dance in the windows along the Strand and sleep beneath the clouds. Hello, Caroline, how low must I decline? Hello, Caroline, how high must I climb? Hello, Caroline, how low must I decline? Hello, Caroline, how high must I climb? Fight the power.